Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of Junia AI. It is your AI content writing tool, and we'll see today if it's worth checking and buying. Let's quickly take a look at the features. Honestly, I'm pretty interested about the feature of SEO core, because it's not a problem nowadays to write AI content, but it will be nice to have SEO score and SEO optimizations. And as well, there is some kind of keyword research capabilities built in as well. So the set of features is pretty interesting. So you can do a keyword research, generate your content, and check SEO score. For the license tier 2, you get more features, of course. And if you would like to have full set of capabilities, you will need to buy the license tier 3, because there is a pretty interesting feature, auto insert competitor keywords and terms in existing content. Alright, so let's start exploring Junia AI. Let's check the dashboard. And let's begin with AI article writer. Well, actually, let's begin with some keyword research. I'm interested in what is calisthenic workout. So let's go to Keyword Explorer and check this one. So we have base metrics about a particular keyword, so you can get some idea about the popularity of this search term. Well, the numbers will differ from tool to tool, and of course the tools like Ahrefs will be more precise here, but I think you can get the general idea. However, I'm not sure how accurate those numbers are. But anyway, let's proceed with AI article writing. So the topic is, what is calisthenic workout? Well, Keyword Explorer, I've just tested that as well. It gives some direction, so you may choose several keyword ideas. Okay, I have chosen a few keywords. Let's generate the headline. And let's begin with this headline. Let's see what we have as well. Competitor analysis. So here we are getting, I believe, top Google results. So we can select a few, and those appear here as reference articles. Okay, let's proceed next. Additional instructions, optional. I would like to know the history of calisthenics, background context, style. We can add some links, and the words count, let it be 2,000 words. In AppSumo deal, they will be available premium quality, but I'm not sure why anyone need that. I think the quality of the content should be great always. We can have several variations of our content. We can replace some phrases. Let's ask for feature image. I would like to have meta and title and FAQ. Okay, let's generate our outline. And while it's generating, I must say that feature set reminds me Keyword Hero, and probably I will do another video which will compare Keyword Hero and Junia. And by the way, please check the link in the description for the Crowded Lab giveaway. We are close to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks everybody, and let's celebrate it with this giveaway. Basically, you just need to enter your email here, and you need to be subscribed to Crowded Lab YouTube channel. And then you have a chance to win AppSumo codes worth $100. So please check the link in the description. Okay, we have our headline ready. We can see some keywords. We can adjust the count of words per paragraph. That is a nice feature. We can rearrange our paragraphs. That's a nice feature. And I like this detalization of your outline because you have a chance to have a better content, and I see talking points. That is a great feature as well. So you can be more precise in your content generation. All right, let's generate our content. Okay, we have our content ready. Let's go to the editor. Okay, so we have our feature image, which actually is a nice one because calisthenic is a workout with your own body weight. So I think this is a great feature image. So what do we have here? I like how the editor is structured. So the content seems relevant and pretty detailed. Let's see what else we have here. SEO, we have meta title, meta description, FAQ. I see it is included already. Okay, let's see what other features we have here. Let's explore SEO optimizer. It shows 10% of SEO score. And actually, I have pasted the content generated into Junia Writer, and I can see that right from the start, it gets SEO score 66 out of top highest score 67, which is a great score. But for some reason, the feature of SEO optimizer, I believe it's not working well yet. I see it asks me to enter a main keyword. Okay, maybe it will work after I generate the report. Yep, the work is in progress. And it shows 84%. I think it's some kind of internal score. Yep, now we can see the keywords suggested, the content structure, competitor terms. So it takes some time to generate. Okay, so you have that ability. All right, so in general, it is a good start, but maybe I prefer Junia Writer View more because it is more visually appealing here. But anyway, that feature is there. All right, so this is it for my review and demo of Junia AI. It has some additional features, like you can configure your brand voice. So if you're writing about your particular brand, the AI will generate better content. So the workflow is AI article writer, actually. And in the pricing plans, I can see that you are limited by number of workflows. So with the second tier license, you can generate 15 blog posts monthly. And with license tier 3, 35, and you can generate up to 70. Okay, there is additional feature, bulk generator, where you can provide titles and it will generate articles in bulk for you. Nice feature as well. There are templates, but nowadays I don't think this is needed because when you have chat, you can just ask generate me a Twitter thread and you don't need those templates. All right, so Junia is pretty convenient tool. So it has some additional important features like keyword research and validation of SEO score. And I think I will do comparison between Junia AI and Keyword Hero because I think the idea is similar here. You do keyword research, you write content and optimize it in one tool. So yeah, I think the tool is nice. It's pretty convenient to use. It has a lot of additional features. So to get this Junia AI tool, please check the link in the description. You'll find there as well a link to a giveaway. Please register there. And as usual, please give this video a like if you find this content useful and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.